Today we are going to make a sweet dish, that is saffron rice pudding or Zafrani kheer, the ingredients for which are: in a large vessel, take 1.5 liters of milk and bring it to a boil. Milk has started to boil. Now we will take a ladle full of milk and add it to quarter teaspoon of saffron. We will soak the saffron for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we will add 1 cup of soaked rice which we have grinded in a mixer grinder. We have to continuously stir the milk and rice together so that the rice doesn't stick to the bottom of the vessel. We will cook our rice and milk for 5 to 10 minutes or till the rice is soft. Then we are going to add sugar. Our rice is done. Now we will add 1 cup of sugar. Mix it nicely and we will cook it till the sugar is completely dissolved. Now add quarter cup of chopped cashew nuts, quarter cup of chopped almonds, quarter cup of chopped pistachios. Mix everything nicely and we will cook it for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we are going to add a saffron milk. Now we will add a soaked saffron, half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix everything and we will cook it till the milk is reduced to the desired consistency. It is perfectly done. Milk has reduced. Now we will switch off the flame and let it cool down completely. Then we will refrigerate it and serve it chilled. Our saffron rice pudding or Zafrani kheer is ready. Garnish it with some strands of saffron and chopped nuts.